Ready, start. From the high of almost 6% 7 years ago, the fiscal deficit has been brought down to 3.5% in 2018-19. Stop. The current account deficit, against a high of 5.6% 6 years ago, is likely to be only 2.5% of the GDP this year. Stop. Be contained the fiscal deficit, notwithstanding the Finance Commission's recommendations increasing the share of the states from 32% to 42% in central taxes, which we accepted in the true spirit of cooperative federalism, thereby transferring significantly higher amounts to the states. Stop. Due to a stable and predictable regulatory regime, growing economy and strong fundamentals, India could attract massive amount of foreign direct investment during the last 5 years, as much as $239 billion. Stop. This period also witnessed a rapid liberalization of the FDI policy, allowing most FDI to come through the automatic route. Stop para. Madam Speaker, the last 5 years have witnessed a wave of next generation structural reforms, which have set the stage for decades of high growth. Stop. We have undertaken path breaking structural reforms by introducing goods and services tax and other taxation reforms. Stop. The period of 2008 to 14 will be remembered as a period of aggressive credit growth and, as per RBI, the primary reason for spurt in the non-performing loans and stressed assets. Stop. Outstanding loans of public sector banks ballooned from rupees 18 lakh crore to rupees 52 lakh crore during this period. Stop. Many projects were started that could either not be completed or had low capacity utilization, resulting in their inability to pay back their loans. Stop. There were high stressed and non-performing assets within bracket NPAs amounting to rupees 5.4 lakh crore in 2014. Stop. Many more were hidden through restructuring or otherwise, which were discovered during asset quality reviews and inspections carried out since 2015. Stop. We put a stop to such questionable practices and stopped the culture of phone banking. Stop. The 4 R's approach of recognition, resolution, recapitalization, and reforms has been followed. Stop. A number of measures have been implemented to ensure clean banking. Stop. Through a transparent and accountable process, we recognized these NPAs. Stop. The Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code has institutionalized a resolution friendly mechanism which is helping in recovery of non performing loans while preserving the underlying business and jobs. Stop. Earlier, only small businessmen used to be under pressure of repayment of loans, while in the case of big businessmen, it was the headache of banks. Stop. But now defaulting managements are either paying or exciting their business. Stop. A large amount has been recovered by banks.